she would even be interested, because most people, once you've told them off when they're young, they remember it and they won't do it then. Oh look, she's nice. Watch the tail. She shook her nicely as the tail down. She's calming down, you see. And it's not until they do that that it's considered to be working. Otherwise it's just jumping about, you know. When they really start listening to you, the whole body language changes. Wish I'd got one of your pups now.